Hello everyone, I welcome all of you at Geeks for Geeks learning platform. I'm Avinash and in today's session we are going to discuss about the TCS NQT examination. हम सबको पता है कि TCS अपने रिक्रूटमेंट के लिए एक एग्जामिनेशन परफॉर्म कराते हैं जिसको हम लोग कहते हैं TCS NQT. ओके, नाउ एग्जामिनेशन हमारे इसी मंथ में है. नाउ बहुत सारे बच्चे जो लोग अभी अपने कॉलेज के फाइनल ईयर में हैं या फिर जो लोग जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं उनके लिए ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम है बिकॉज टीसीएस इंडिया के उन कंपनीज में से है जो एक साथ बहुत सारे बच्चों को रिक्रूट करती है. सो द टीसीएस इज नोन फॉर द मास रिक्रूटमेंट इन इंडिया एंड मोस्टली ये एग्जामिनेशन फ्रेशर्स के लिए या फिर अगर कोई है जो हमारे पास तैयारी कर रहा है सो उनके लिए ये बहुत बेनिफिशियली होती है क्योंकि हमारे पास टीसीएस के अंडर अगर टीसीएस के अंदर अगर हमें जाना है, ठीक है, हमें एज डी का प्रोफाइल बनाना है या फिर कोई भी ऐसा प्रोफाइल हमें क्रिएट करना है, उसके लिए हमारे पास ये एक बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटीज हो जाता है. ठीक है, अभी आप में से कई सारे ऐसे बच्चे होंगे जो लोग ये सोचते होंगे कि टीसीएस में बेसिकली क्या क्या है, कैसे एग्जामिनेशंस की तैयारी करें. सम स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्रॉम द फोर्थ ईयर, सम स्टूडेंट्स हैज ऑलरेडी पास आउट फ्रॉम द एग्जामिनेशन एंड नाउ दे आर लुकिंग फॉर द गुड जॉब. They want to enter some good MNCs and they're just looking for something. So TCS are the one examination that are taken by the Tata Consultancy Services. This is for the freshers and okay, and we will going to get job via the this examination. Okay, so recession में job कैसे मिलेगा? Subrata Mukherjee has asked one question that recession में job कैसे मिलेगा? For in if you see recession, we cannot say we are in the recession yet. Our industry has definitely impacted by some of the reason, but the recession is not one of them. As most of the company are using our artificial intelligence and data and we can say the robotics and artificial intelligence, that's why the jobs is little bit less right now, but this is not the case of the recession. Okay, so basically if you want to get job, okay, there are multiple methods. I believe that you are the college graduate and you're looking for the job. The first thing is make sure you have any specific I can say command of the specific topic. For example, suppose if you are good in the mathematics, okay. Suppose if you are good in the data science, suppose you are good in the operating system, then data structure, and this is not yet only compacted by the data structure and algorithm. That is the DSA. Okay, you have 2 to 3 languages that is well known and that is required to get into the hierarchy panel. Okay, so the company once is visiting you, then he will see, or the company will see that the following candidate has a good command on the data science, is also good in the Python, then he's also good in the DSA. Okay. So if the people have these kind of a quality like a multi-talented, then the company has a quite offer for them. But likewise in the before like 2 to 3 years before, likewise it's happened. But if you have a good command in the DSA, then people are just getting the job in the Microsoft or Google over there, so they can easily get the job. But now the competition has stuff and the people are looking for more kind of expertise rather than only one subject. Okay, so recession में job के लिए you have to be very sure that once you are appearing in the any kind of exam, whether it's taken by the TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, any kind of examination, anything is happening or outside or in how off campus or in campus, but you have a very good command on this. Second thing, to get such kind of admission, you have also good command in the general aptitude thing, because the general aptitude is the first gateway to pass the examination. For that, you should have a good command in the reasoning, then you should have a good command in the aptitude, verbal aptitude, and these are the things that we have to be very strong on this, because this is the first gateway to get the to get into the examination. First, this barrier is clear, then you will have some question based on the coding, then you will have a group discussion, then you have a personal interview, then your selection will be proceeded. So these are the 3 to 4 steps before entering in the TCS, okay, or any other examinations. But the first thing is general aptitude. It's a must, it's a 100% mandatory. There the general aptitude and reasoning will be there. After that, the basic coding contest questions will be definitely available. So these things should be very good of yours if you are preparing for, if you are interested to get a job. Okay, I'm going to share my screen, guys. Let me know once my screen is visible. Okay, the screen is already shared. Let me So see this, okay? We have this examination. I believe that you all of you have known that the registration has already opened. The registration date is ended. The test date is about to happen on the 26th of April onwards. So our examination is starting from 26th of April, and bit by bit, as the examination center will be available or the location will be available, the examination will help. Okay. Now you all know that the Bachelor of Technology, BTech or BE or MTech or ME, okay, MCA, MSc, MS, okay, any AICT or UGC approved college that has provided you the degree, then they can, or he or she can give the examination of a TCS NQT. Okay. Now, these are the basic instruction. Please note that the in-center test, the center allotment would be done on the first come, first serve basis, right? So over there, you have to be there on before time. Okay. All the original documents still date that no be submitted if test shortlisted. Okay. So once you have shortlisted in the examination, then all the documents, it's the 10th class, 12th class, your graduation certificate, your TC, your character certificate, everything will be in the proper order once you are shortlisted in the TCS. Communication related to be the test informed by the test partner. Okay. Now the TCS is not send job offer hiring related communication from unofficial mail like Gmail, Rediff mail, Yahoo mail, or Hotmail etc. It means once you have cleared the examination, you will not get a notification from the Gmail, Rediff mail, Yahoo mail, or Hotmail.com, because TCS has the official website, and from the official website, from their official domain, they send you the notification regarding whether you have selected or not. If you have selected, what would be the further process, and this will be only done with the help of a TCS website, not any other third party. Okay. TCS never asked to deposit any kind of a money or any kind of pre-employment money from the candidate, because this is not how TCS work. They never ask for such kind of a thing. So if anyone is demanding, that's definitely a fraud. But TCS is never do this. TCS is not associated to any external agency company. So make sure that you are not falling in such kind of a trap. Right. Next. Now, eligibility criteria, I believe all you have known. Then after, once you have eligibility criteria, we should have we should know that what is the subject. So first, the subject is equal to programming language, where we have a data type, where we have an input output, function and scope, variable and registers, command line programming, pointers, okay, inbuilt library, call by value, iteration, and recursion. So I believe these topics are not new to you guys. You have learned these topics in your academics, and you will have a better understanding too. All you have to do one thing: you need a quick revision, as well as you need a topic, you need a question which has based on that. So for that, I have some news for you guys. Just let me finish this slide, and then I will clear then how you can cover that part. Okay. The next part is our the next part is our reasoning ability. So in the reasoning ability, most of you have attempted such kind of a thing, because we have a meaningful word, we have a number series, data sufficiency, blood relation, coding decoding, problem on ages, odd man out, distance and direction, statement conclusion, sitting arrangement complex, it means that puzzle based. Okay. Sitting arrangement, then analogy, mathematical operation, and symbol annotation. Recently, we have also seen the question which are based on the data interpretation. Okay. They have also asked. So this is kind of a addition where the data interpretation question has also asked, because recently, if you have anyone of you have given the GATE examination, data interpretation is also included over there. In the numerical ability, we have a permutation, combination, then arrangement, number series or number system, percentage, allocation, probability, ratio and proportion, reasoning, then time and work, speed, time, geometry, divisibility, profit loss, ages, clock, calendar, series, equation, average, area, and number of decimal. Now, this is the total of very large subject that we can cover up. But in the certain topics, there are some topics are important. Okay. We don't have to go and learn the entire topic. We have to focus on certain topic, and the remaining topic will be easily covered. So I'm going to share that part too, which topic are really important. Okay. Which topic consists of a good number of marks, and which topics are coming in the regular year. For example, like verbal ability. Okay. So in the verbal ability, we have a synonyms, we have antonyms, then we have some sentence completion, active passive voice, spelling test, spotting error, passage, then substitution, sitting arrangement, transformation, idioms, phrase, then sentence, parajumbling. Okay. Then error detection. And in that case, there is a one more thing that has add on. previously they have given one statement, one paragraph, and on the basis of that paragraph you have to find out the error correction or the para jumble statement, something like this. But now they have converted that thing. They are giving you in the format of a pointer, and on the basis of pointer they want you to make a statement. Okay, a complex a large pointer give you a small statement. That is, we can say the short format of the statement which can carry as a information. Okay, so the entire statement what and the short form we can say, that is also included in the recent year. So just sure that you are doing such kind of a question too. We have a coding for C, C++, Java, Perl, and Python. So I believe that the syllabus part is clear of you. Let's see some number and the expected numbers. Okay. For the numerical ability, we have the highest marks of that mathematics section, that is the 26 question. In the verbal ability, we have a 24. In the reasoning ability, we have a 30. Okay. Program logic, hands-on coding, 1. Okay. Duration is given as all of them, because once you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So once the 40 minutes is over, okay, after that you can jump on this. Okay, once the 30 minutes is over, then you can jump on this. So there is a time barrier also mentioned. Suppose if you have covered that whole section in the 30 minutes, okay, then you have to wait. Okay, because the next section will be open after 40 minutes only. So it will be working like this. So make sure that you have a time duration. Sometime it happen that the question you're about to do, but the time has gone. So automatically that the entire screen will be shut down. Okay. We have some FAQs like how many subjects are there. So there are only 5 subjects that are available in the TCS NQT. What are the subject in the TCS NQT paper? It means verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability, program logic, and hands-on coding. Duration is 3 hours, and total 92 questions are available in the TCS examination. If you can see, the questions are not difficult. If I'm talking about the question pattern, if I'm talking about the level of a question, the questions are really easy. TCS want to give you the easy to medium paper, okay? And they are expecting a good number of marks. Like some paper are some kind of a paper where in some kind of a paper we have a the paper is equal to the paper is difficult, okay, but cutoff is low. In that case the cutoff is equal to low. But in TCS it's just opposite. The paper is easy, okay. So in that case paper is easy, you will have enough time to attempt a large number of a question. In that case the cutoff will be high. It means that once out of suppose if the paper is about 100 marks, then they are expecting at least to 60 70 marks for that. So that once you have a attempt, because the paper is really easy, they want you to score a lot of questions. For example, if you're looking at this question, this is the TCS question paper. X plus 10% of 240 is a 60% more than X minus X of 80%. Then 15% of X plus 20% is how much percentage less than this. Okay, from here we make that one equation. Okay, from one equation will form it, we can find the value of X. Once the value of X will be calculated, we will put over here and we can find the value of X. Okay, simple. Okay, it means that it's just a simple percentage questions that are given to us. As you can see, Ellen, Jeff, and Bill together started a business where Ellen has invested $2,500 for 8 months. Jeff has invested 2,000 for 12 months, and Bill has invested 6,000 for 4 months. What is the profit and in the business? In the it's a 1360. Then find the share of Jeff. It means that once you are multiplying these data, okay, plus if you have finding out these data to this, okay, then 6,000 into 4. These things that you are doing, it means that the profit they are earning is basically nothing but the amount they have invested, okay, and the interest on that they are getting. So this kind of a question, the simple interest, compound interest, or the profit and loss, or the partnership question, these are the questions. And on all topic, okay, suppose if I'm saying the percentage question, one question, profit loss, one question, average, one question, percentage ratio, one question, proportion, one question. Then we have a problem on ages, one question, compound interest, one question, simple interest, one question. From every topic they are asking one question. Okay, it is not confirmed that on the specific topic only one 6 to 7 question will ask. They will always coming to one question of each topic. Like the mean proportion formula, if you know the formula, this question is not difficult. Okay, then we have always statistics problem where the mean, median, and mode data they will ask. So here we have given data over from this data we can easily find the mean, median, and mode. I'm coming to that point how you can solve these questions. Okay, I'm coming also on these point. I'm just showing you this slide because I want you to know which kind of a question they usually ask, and I can see that the questions are not difficult, right? So if you have any doubt, you can ask me, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, we have certain doubts. Okay, screen is not visible. Now it is. Okay. Sir, how much coding would be sufficient for TCS? See, this is not a question that we can simply say. It's a kind of a thing. It's a vary in each and every year. Okay, so we cannot say that how much coding it's need, but I can give you the idea how you can get the cutoff marks. How can give you, because see, our strategy, our preparation strategy is not like previous year question paper on the basis of previous year question paper. Then before that and before that, the question that are repeating before, I'm going to show you that data, and on the basis of that we make our preparation strategy. So the data that you are asking Tube TV, that how much coding would be sufficient for that, I believe that the academic level what we have learned in the engineering, that is more than sufficient for that. But for the appearing, okay, for the examination after that, that would be required more. But if whatever you have learned in our DSS subject, okay, so in the academics whatever you have learned, just make sure the command of that, and I'm going to provide you for that. I'm going to provide you the link for that where you can find the most effective way to learn that thing. Okay, now we have more comments. Which topic would be sufficient in advanced coding part? I believe that C++ and Python and DSA, that would be the more sufficient topic and advanced topic. Sir, I am 2022 pass out and TCS form and I am eligible. So yes, you are. Okay, you can fill the form. Okay, then every year the eligibility is changing. So yes, you are eligible, and this time for that. Okay, so basically that Aditya is asking for 2022 pass out, and I also filled the TCS NQT form. Will I be eligible? So basically, Aditya, that the time has gone for the filling of the form. Now it's about to take the examination, but yet the examination happen frequently. Okay, for this time I believe you are not eligible, but in the upcoming months, okay, like in this year only, the upcoming exam will also happen. So please check over there whether you are eligible or not. So one of the student is asking, sir, how much time it will take to practice the aptitude? For aptitude, if you are practicing 3 to 4 hours, okay, because suppose your examination is on the 26th, and if you are practicing from now onwards 3 to 4 hours, I believe, uh, see, I'm talking about because our examination is within 1 week, okay. Focus on the reasoning topic first, then aptitude topic second, because reasoning cannot create such kind of a large question. Reasoning is a very easy topic. Logic will work. There is no specific formula. Okay. Sir, we have DP graph tree for coding question. Yes, 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 yes. We should have. Okay, the tree questions are really important. That the graph questions is also important. DP is kind of okay. I'm gonna comment on this, but the tree and graph is array string matrix would be sufficient. No, we will go with the graph and tree as well. Okay. Now, guys, I'm showing you that GFG have come up with the one thing. I hope my screen is visible to you guys. Okay, that my screen is visible to you. See, there is a TCS NQT preparation test series has already launched, so you can go and watch that part. Okay, that the course link is available on the description link, so you can go and watch that part. See, the data that you want. Okay, the things that you are required. The course overview. That course overview is required for the strategic preparation. Then previous year question paper, each module's test series, each module subject wise test, each module short notes, these things are available over here. Okay, so I'm going to show you everything. This is your TCS NQT, where you can find most of the things are open. Okay, so you don't have to pay. Most of the things are open. You can go and simply watch that thing. So we have the articles available. For example, suppose if I'm talking about the aptitude, right? So in the aptitude, we have the average. So in the average, once I'm opening that thing, we have the questions. So likewise, you have this 50 question, 24 questions are available. And mostly these questions are based on the previous years. We have the contest, we have the quizzes. So this is the way we can, because we have a limited amount of time and everything is included over here. That average, the number series, the profit loss, ratio, proportion, time and work. Just go over there and make sure that you are just making sure that these things you at least you have tried. I'm telling you guys, if you are opening this contest, okay, if you are opening this thing, suppose geometry you are opening and you just learn the basics of the geometry, okay. Once you have learned that part, after that you apply it and you just have to attempt these things. That's the geometry part. I'm 100% sure that out of 25 questions that are mentioned over there, you can only attempt for 10 to 12 questions, not more than that. I'm not worrying about that you are attempting less. What I'm trying to do over here is remaining 13 questions, whatever it's unattempted, go and check how these questions have solved. Okay. So if you are doing this practice for next 6 to 8 days, then definitely the questions that are restricted to the 12 question only, that will improve to the 17 to 18 questions, because we have a limited amount of time and someone is good, someone has learned these topics, then they could have a better command on this too. Okay. Now next is our verbal ability. Okay. So in the verbal ability, we have a claused passage, we have a direct and indirect speech, para, jumble, sentence, tense, anatomy, sorry, synonyms and antonyms, error identification, preposition, then subject verb agreement, synonyms, everything. As you can see, there is a one contest that is a MCQ of a 25 questions. If you just combining this now for each and every topic, you are getting more than 300 to 400 questions. For this, these are the more than sufficient. I am 100% sure once you are appearing in the examination, you will see the benefit of that. In the reasoning ability, we have a blood relation, really important topic. If you are appearing in the examination, that the blood relation topic, okay, so this topic is a really important, okay. Then sequence and series, these are really important. After that, once you have applied for that, after that there is a data sufficiency topic. After data sufficiency, we have a data arrangement, coding, decoding, and Venn diagram. Venn diagram is really important topic, right? In the programming logic, we have the constructor, loop, operation, recursion, really important topic. Arrays, oops, they are really important. Linked list, we should learn, we should go before entering in the examination. You have a good command on this. Like the people has mentioned, the graph question, okay, then searching, sorting, analysis, and algorithm. These things you should go and see. The specific topic we have given the large number of a question. In general, there are 25 questions, but for the searching and graph and this thing, we have given you more than 30 questions. So make sure that you are focusing on that, because through this you will have a clear idea what is really important, what the repeating topic they are asking. In the programming, we have a basic coding and we have an advanced coding. Anyone who is beginner, okay, for that the basic coding is available. But if anyone is a good command, has a basic knowledge, and then they can go for the advanced coding. And once you have completed, then we have a total of mock test, approximately 10 mock tests. Okay. These mock tests are full mock tests. There are 100 questions in that. There are questions, there are solutions, they are properly 3 hours clock will run, or whatever the interface that the TCS will provide you, the whole interface will be also available. So I should say that this is the best time to go and check out these things, and these things will give you a way to advance thing. Okay. We have a basic mock test, we have an advanced level of a mock test. Everything is available on this. Okay. And once you are giving the examination, right, this is your examination thing, there is a leaderboard. Over leaderboard, whatever, how many the you can actually find out how many of the student I'm competing with, and out of these students what rank we are achieving. Okay. So we have the leaderboard, we have a contest. Okay. These contests all are open. Okay. So you can join any of them. These all our contests are open. We have a total of let me see, 10 basics. Okay. Then 10 we have advanced, then difficult, every kind of a mock test we have available. As you can see, TCS NQT, we have a total of 70 mock tests are available. So join any of that. These questions are general aptitude, then the programming contest, then we have reasoning questions, then we have in hand programming contest. Everything is available over here. Just you have to do to go over there and join of that. Okay. Now I'm gonna see the question part. Okay, let me see the doubt sessions. The course link. Okay, the course link is available on the description. Okay, so you can go and check that part too. Okay, now let's see the comment section. So how much time it will take to practice, sir? Should we have a DP graph array? Okay, okay. TCS NQT preparation test series is available. So go and check the our test series. Okay. Plus you also go and watch that thing. Okay. Like the basic mock tests are available. Then the preparation question paper are available. Please start doing that thing, because if you are just randomly go in the examination while looking at the question paper or before looking at the question paper, that will not going to help you. Okay. We need to understand, like in the specific topic, what kind of a question they usually ask, and we are going to practice only those questions which are asking by the examiner. We are not going to learn something more than that and something less than that. We only have to focus only those topics which are asking in the examination. Plus these analysis we have done, and on the basis of that we have created that thing. So just go and watch. The link is available on this description, so you can go over there, watch that thing, and utilize maximum. Okay. We have us 8 days time. From tomorrow onwards, I'm going to start with the basic aptitude and reasoning. I will come up with the top 10 or top 15 reasoning our aptitude question. I will start with the practice. I will show you what kind of a question they ask. Timing will be same, 4 to 5, and we will discuss that part. Okay, so if you have any questions over there, you can also ask me. Okay, is there any doubt, guys? If you want to discuss anything, please ask. Okay, otherwise tomorrow we will have a same session at 4 o'clock, and I'm coming with the reasoning question or aptitude questions or verbal ability question. I will pick that 10 question of the previous NQT questions, and we are going to discuss that part. Okay, if you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, this session is good to end. Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for being in the session. See you guys tomorrow at 4 o'clock. Be ready and make sure that you are attempting these all questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me tomorrow too. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.